Hey guys, it's been a while. I just wanted to comment on what's been going on lately. So the Hobbs house, the plumbing is getting put in, and we have done some sheetrock work. I will get a video on that and the progress made on that so far. But I wanted to start a small series on what I'm doing after work and home time. So currently, me and my family are building a house, clearing land, putting in driveways, gravel work, everything else. Right now I have a broken excavator sitting in Cutler. So I'm going to pick up a friend's tractor to get the excavator back on the trailer, and then I'm going to go pick up another excavator in the meantime, and I'll do a part 2 to this video and show you guys what is going on back at the land that we're clearing and bring you guys along on the whole new house build. I was able to get a new phone today. My content kind of stopped due to a storage problem on my last iPhone. It was absolutely full and just had it. So I got an iPhone with double gigs. So we should be good on content for a while. And I'm gonna upload and delete, so I shouldn't get full. I'm not gonna be editing videos quite yet, but I will be editing soon. And when we get up in subscribers, the edits will get better, so you'll be able to see basically the whole day. I did want to give an update on the Kaden house in Eastport. We put a brand new roof on it, and that came out really nice. We put new front fascia boards on the house, reflashed all the chimneys, put a light gray and black tethered roof on asphalt, all Owens Corning architectural shingles. Came out really good, but we completed that the other night. We put a 18-hour night in, completed the main roof, went back and finished up the dormers the next day. Got everything out of there, and we're actually doing an Airbnb in Eastport at some point, and a guest house and a pool pavilion in Cutler. So there'll be a lot of interesting content. Hopefully we can get the views up, get the subscribers up, and get this channel up to where it needs to be. I'll be very happy if I see some likes, comments, and views from everybody. And I hope you guys all watch along as, you know, my life builds up and we help others build their dreams and restore their houses. And it will just be a nice channel, and hopefully bring smiles to faces and a happy 20 minutes or so once we get filming and get everything going. But that is my goal here. Later in the week we will be doing more Eastport videos. I will bring content on that place on Washington that I did in Eastport. That was a complete remodel. It was not a preservation job, so it was kind of making the house more modern, at the same time more efficient, and keeping some of the detail. And I will do an update on that as well. We've got a lot of videos coming, so hopefully you guys stay tuned and watch my videos. Thank you.